Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this video short today, but I have some exciting news. I started Mailbox Money Nation. This is a brand new community. A little while back, I asked if people would be interested if I brought back a paid membership community, and I was surprised with the amount of people that said yes, so I've gone ahead and done that. We're still in pre-launch right now, and this is time to get in for $7 a month and get early access. You can help shape the community. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for a handful of people who really provide value inside the community, and I'm going to ask them to be part of the team and help further shape the direction that we take Mailbox Money Nation. But I think it's a great opportunity. It's a chance to be with like-minded people. We'll do all kinds of things in there. We'll have, Q&A sessions and live coaching, and it'll just be a place for people to talk about mailbox money and help each other build momentum and motivation, and, hopefully help you crush your goals that you have and start making money from home. A lot of people that I work with, they want to quit their 9-to-5 and they don't know how to do that. So this will be a great place, I think, for all of us to just come together. And I've done it. It's not going to be on Facebook. Originally it was going to be on Facebook, but Facebook has a tendency of just taking down people's groups for no reason sometimes. And I don't want to build something big and have it taken down, or have the chance of having it taken down. So what I've done is I'm using a platform called Standstore. It's something that Gary Vee is behind 100%, and it's just a really great platform. But I like it too because you're going to get your own login page with your own username and password. And I think just being off of Facebook and focusing when you're in the group on the group is going to be beneficial for everybody, as opposed to being on Facebook and just, getting sidetracked and having your attention taken away. So I'm looking forward to doing this. And I just, I'll leave a link down below, or you can visit mailboxmoneynation.com. And again, right now you can join for $7 a month. That price is going to go up at some point, but I'm giving early access to, all of you who are interested. You can become a founding member. And then I'm going to, over time, look for people who are real action takers in the group and people who provide the most value in the group. And I'm going to ask them to be part of my team. And we're going to build this into something huge. So I'm super excited about it. If you have any questions, reach out to me. But there will be a link down below here. Just go to mailboxmoneynation.com and you can join today for $7. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.